Fitment. LED third brake light high mount tail light assembly for 1999 to 2016 Ford F250 Super Duty, F350 Super Duty, F450 Super Duty, F550 Super Duty, 1995 to 2003 Ford Ranger, 2001 to 2005 Ford Explorer Sport Trac, 1994 to 2010 Mazda B2300, B4000, 1994 to 2008 Mazda B3000. Replace OEM CC3Z-13A613-A, CC3Z13A613A, YC3Z13A613BA, YC3Z13A613BA. Lighting up your truck bed with special F1 flash strobe feature. Function. Convert the F250 F350 Super Duty's OEM factory incandescent lamp to a F1 style high mount tail clearance light assembly with much brighter output and more trendy appearance. It flashes quickly 5 times then stays lit until you release the brake, just like the Formular-One F1 racing car. Give your F250 F350 F450 a unique and eye-catching appearance with enhanced safety. High quality. This Ranger rear brake light is powered with high-power LED chips with instant-on technology of quick flash. Unlike the standard third brake light, provides instant notice to drivers behind you that you are braking. The super bright white LED light bar for clearance reverse cargo light can light up your truck bed very well. Easy installation. Plug-and-play installation. Fit directly into your F250 F350 Super Duty truck's stock third brake lamp moldings. Simply unbolt the original high-mount lamp and replace with the new F250 F350 F450 F550 LED high-mount brake lamp assembly. Top reviews from the United States. Brightest cargo light I have been able to find. Works well, fits the stock wiring harness and installs in minutes.